So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Quant Network. You guys can see that there's one already on our chart, one that we specifically was looking for price and Quant Network to go higher, and it did that. So now we're going to try to answer the question, will it continue? Because if so, then we're just going to simply put on another prediction looking for Quant Network to go higher. Now, before I break all of this down, welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe as well. Tap that bell notification if you guys want to be notified of when my videos are posted to this platform, so you guys be one of the first ones to see where we think price is going to go. Now, here it is. Price prediction for Quant Network was produced on the 3rd of April. You guys can see here it is May the 13th, and the market definitely exceeded our ultimate target. It took maybe 2 days just for the market and Quant Network to hit our ultimate TP price, 12.17% there. If we were to get out of the market right now in Quant, you can see that increased to 29%. So let's go rid of that. Next thing we're going to do is get rid of these sell pockets here in Quant Network. And you can see precisely where the market buyers in Quant Network is having issues. We was already here. We plotted this sell pocket right here when we did our first price prediction. And now you guys can tell that the market is being hung up right now. The buyers are being hung up from actually moving the market up to the upside. Now, question to you is, will we see the price break this sell pocket? Given what we've seen in the last 4 days of trading, do you think that that's the case? To me, I think so. I'm going to show you the reasons why. Because after we saw price hit that sell pocket, we really didn't see a negative reaction, i.e. we didn't see price go down severely. It wasn't a quick breakdown in price in Quant Network. You guys can tell it right here. We didn't see nothing of the sort of like hitting the sell pocket and immediately the price reacts and comes down. Instead, what we're getting is price is staying elevated. It is staying supported. It is trading next to that sell pocket, which is very important for us to see. So now let's look at Quant Network on the 2. Okay, so here it is on the 2. You guys can see that we're taking a momentary break. Even on the 2, on this current 2-day price bar, we're noticing that buyers are still trying to buy whoever is trying to sell their Quant into the market. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Quant on the 4. Here it is on the 5. I like this 5-day bar right there. It gives us a massive indication that the market is still bullish. We might see enough momentum to push price back up to like $115, maybe even $120 in the long term. And long term, to me, I'm talking about on the weekly time frame. Okay, so here it is on the weekly chart. Take a look at Quant on the 2 weeks. Even on the 2 weeks, that looks very powerful right here, letting us know that there has been agreement on looking for Quant Network to go higher. Here it is on the 3, Quant Network on the 5, and then for the monthly chart. Okay, so now let's look at this on the hourly chart first to see if those buyers are really holding price. And you can see there on the 5-hour chart that this is where those buyers are. Okay, they're like right around here. This is very, very important area. You can see how many times as price in Quant Network did come down to this pocket of buying that they supported price. This is what you want to see in order for us to get more confirmation that the market is still bullish. We don't want to see the market break this area. And this right here on the 5-hour, those sellers who sold on this 5-hour bar, they did not get any reward from their actions of selling, because the price in the next 5 hours came right back up, and it's still testing these sellers. Okay, so now the buyers took the ball, ran it up the field, and now the sellers, they're kind of like pointing at the sellers now, it's your turn. Do you guys really want this price? Because if so, then we'll see another move back down. But if we don't, Quant Network is going to continue to go higher. Here it is on the 3, Quant Network on the 1-hour chart. And we're going to add another pocket of buying right around here. Here it is on the 330. And here's another pocket of buying right there. So yeah, I'm still looking for price in Quant to continue to go higher, specifically in the next 21 minutes. You might not even, this bar would have closed by the time I'll go ahead and put this on the platform. But nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and anticipate higher prices into the market for Quant Network. So let me go ahead and put this back on the daily, and let's get rid of this sell pocket here. And we're going to try to target the market in Quant Network all the way up here to like $112. That's our first target. 112 give us around 15%. Next levels could be at the high of that sell pocket at around 115, 17.68%. Now I will tell you just to be careful right here on this daily bar, because the market here in Quant could potentially see a shorter area of selling on that bar. So let's see what we have. This is on 1 hour chart to see. Okay, so yeah, we may not see price necessarily reach all the way up there towards 112. There's definitely some sellers right around this area here. So I'm gonna put this here to see if price did get to this pocket of selling there on the 1 hour. And then my next one will potentially be up here. Okay, so yeah, we did see the market in Quant hit that area already. So we're going to hold this one there though. I definitely want us to pay attention to the market in Quant as it tries to reach like 110. There's definitely a pocket of selling on the 1 hour chart. So you might need to be aware of that because we may not have enough momentum to push to 112. So yeah, we'll keep it just like that. Okay, so I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.